2-hour drive up the coast for me, and just arrived at beautiful Jimmy's Beach on the central coast of New South Wales. Just back to the JB Inn. I've got the Gator Hybrid 16 with me today. And it only took me about half an hour, a bit less, to set this thing up. There's a few final things to do, but I've got some time to kill, and knowing me, I only know one activity to do when that's the case, and that is to go fishing. Now, one of the first things I noticed about this van is the outdoor cooking facilities are just insane. The amount of features they've been able to pack into a 16-foot van just need to be made the most of, and that's exactly what I want to do today. I'm going to hopefully go out and catch myself some nice dusky flathead, come back and cook my favourite meal, fish tacos.
Camping for me is about getting outside, which might mean going for a fish. When it comes to chasing flathead, a light spin rod and reel will do the trick, and you're looking for likely looking sandbanks and weed patches. A small soft plastic on a lightly weighted jig head will get you out of trouble. But of course you can use bait if you'd like. And of course, a bit of patience doesn't go astray, because sometimes it can take hours, but not today.
First cast in a new spot. Flathead's the species, flathead's the goal. One of the best eating fish in my book. Super accessible, super sustainable. And when you have 2 panko crumbed flathead fillets, it doesn't get a whole lot better. There'll be one on this point for sure. There he is. Oh! Here he comes. He'll come back. He'll come back. It just looks too good of a spot. Yes! Oh, that is exactly the plan. He's got to be 36 in New South Wales. Nose is on the 0. He's 38. It actually couldn't have gone better. We're just exploring a new area, and I just wanted a few small flathead for lunch. So I'm going to get him on ice, treat this fish with the care that it needs to taste good on the table, and then we're going to head back to camp shortly.
If you're going to go to the effort to catch your fish, you'll want to look after it. Make sure you have ice, a nice cooler like this Dometic, and a good filleting knife. Now, if you haven't tried it, there is just something seriously satisfying about collecting your own ingredients.
Now, while the Hybrid 16 is certainly capable of producing meals to a much higher standard than this, the facilities on this are quite impressive. For me, there's something to be said about just getting back to basics. And for me, basics is fish tacos. I grew up eating this on the riverbank, and to be doing it again in a new location here at Jimmy's Beach, in a new van, is pretty special. I'm nearly done here. I've got a homemade slaw, some avocado, I've got some wraps, some Kewpie mayo, and the fish is done. Now, the best part, assemble it all together. Well, I have nothing else to do this afternoon, so I think I'm going to kick back, maybe read a book, maybe go down to the beach and check out what's going on down there, but not before I get tucked into these.